Faces allegations of lying to a grand jury, a case that former federal prosecutor Matt Coman calls a serious matter for the Justice Department.
As Rob Masson reports, the challenge will now be successfully prosecuting the charges.
Prosecutors leave federal court after a perfunctory presentation before Magistrate Judge Eva Dossier, but it was historic nonetheless.
This is the first time in our memory that a sitting mayor has ever been actually indicted under federal or state charges.
Former Assistant U.S. Attorney Matt Coman successfully prosecuted former Mayor Ray Nagin in 2014. It was a case which successfully proved that Nagin received tens of thousands of dollars in bribes.
In this city's 200-year history, the first mayor to be indicted was Ray Nagin, and as you referenced earlier, he was out of the office.
Now in private practice, Matt Coman says that Mayor LaToya Cantrell could have difficulty defending against charges she lied to the grand jury. But otherwise, Coman says there are similarities between the superseding indictment presented Friday and the Vappy indictment last year.
As we saw, there was not just the traditional type of employee-employer embezzlement that was alleged, but also reference to the mayor and being involved with the former police chief and potentially strong-arming her in regarding to the Vappy investigation.
Former Assistant U.S. Attorney Matt Coman says prosecuting a sitting mayor is not anything that the U.S. Justice Department would take lightly.
Well, certainly the Department of Justice would be consulted. They have to be notified whenever there's a significant office holder that's going to be subject to an indictment. There doesn't have to be necessarily approval that's obtained unless there's some tax charges, but definitely DOJ Main Justice will be notified.
Judge Dossier issued a summons for Cantrell and Vappy to turn themselves in. Trial is likely more than a year away. Rob Masson, Fox 8 Local First.